I don't think there's much of a difference between bridal wear and couture in India because it's all about big money and ostentatious clothing. The only place where people actually spend a lot of money in India is weddings, apart from red carpets. This is one of my favorite pieces. This is hand block printed in Sanganer and it's quilted. Kept the whole detailing very sheer, and there are different kinds of embroidery. There's applique in velvet, and there is applique on tulle in chiffon, old baroque flowers, and then it goes into crusty chiffon. It's actually heavy to look at, but it's quite lightweight. But I believe weight becomes a very big issue. So we're trying to do the finest skills of craftsmanship, but we are still trying to kind of bring a certain kind of sensibility to couture. Otherwise, it just gets insane. I don't think we have big events in India like the Met Ball and stuff like that where people can actually wear couture. People don't really go to the opera or theatre in India. Couture is primarily worn in Sangeets because that's where everybody can explore different cultures, different kinds of outfits, and they really spend a lot of serious money. We don't really encourage customers to come and tell us what we should be doing for them. We do it for them because, as Steve Jobs put it once, that it's not for your customer to know what they want, you should give it to them.
Storytelling is kind of a interesting part of my show. And I've taken the theme as Draupadi, interpreted it in the cages, like the Pandavas were feeling like caged. They were always exiled to the forest. They have to win back their kingdoms. They kind of lost their self-respect by Draupadi's insult which had happened. I did the printing where I used the silver foil, and then these are the birds, beautiful birds entwined with the floral, very old museum design and asymmetric placements of embroideries, because it's very boring to see the same thing going again and again in all the panels. And the fabric itself is very much organic. It's pure raw silk and khadi. I've combined both of them together. Bridal is, of course, it's one of a kind of a dress which has to be couture-ish, but all couture is not bridal.